Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an internal error has occurred when using the remote desktop connection application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer guys. Let's fix that problem guys. Go to search menu and type desktop remote desktop connection. Open it. Select show options and go to experience tab and reconnect if the connection is dropped. Uncheck the box and select continue connect, and hopefully your problem has been resolved guys at this point. If you not get resolved, go to search menu. You can try this as well. Type VPN settings, open it. If in here any VPN connection in here, you just need to turn it off guys for it's temporarily. You just need to turn off for temporarily using the remote desktop application for it. Just need to turn off for temporarily guys and close out of here. And you can also try another one last thing. Go to local security policy guys, open it. And expand the local policy and go to security option. On right side you need to search for system cryptography use FIPS complement. Just need to double click on it and select this to enabled and apply and OK. After doing it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC for changes take effect, and you should good to go guys. Your problem has been resolved at this point. That's it for today's video guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.